new vlog. So, this vlog is i-share ko lang naman sa inyo na meron na tayong bagong camera. This is the 4K Sports camera na binili ko sa Shopee. So, I'll share it with you guys. So, this is my new camera, the 4K Sports camera. This is 4K Sports Ultra HD TV. This is water resistance up to 30 meters. And this is my new vlogging camera. Ito yung gagamitin ko for my vlogs. So, sa mga upcoming vlogs ko, ito na yung gagamitin ko na camera. So, currently, I'm using my iPhone's camera. So, yeah. So, actually, na-open ko na tong box na nung dumating siya. So, para open natin, ito na yung mga inclusion. So, nandito yung camera since naalis ko na. So, let's go! Ano naman siya inclusions? Ito yung kanyang remote. Meron ding waterproof case and sobrang daming accessories. Yan. Pang-wipe ng lens, replacement, strap. Ito, hindi ito inclusion. Binili ko siya separately, which is my SD card. And my charger. And so much na hindi ko alam kung ano yung use. It's more on, kasi, for motorcycle, for bike, ganyan. So, let's proceed na to the camera itself. So, this is the camera. Dito ko siya nilagay. Hindi kasama yung pouch, okay? So, ayan. This is the camera. Nigay ko lang to for tripod since gamit ko siya for vlog. Yun siya. Open here. For open. So, ayan siya. If in-open nyo, sorry. Okay. Siya open. Ayan siya. Yung lino ng camera na share ko sa inyo. Ito taken. The mode for camera. Ayan. Tapos lang siyang connect sa Wi-Fi. And in 4K Ultra HD. May na siya guys. Insert na lang ako ng clips. And move any modes. Solutions. Search. Itong button down. If yung mga sample photos na take. Yung mga baking vlogs ko kanina. Okay, that's all. It's super cute na. Ganyan pala, this camera is micro pa lang. Micro SD card. Yung up and down dito for Wi-Fi connection, speaker, and yeah. That's all guys. See you on my next vlog. And so next vlog, ito na yung camera na gagamitin natin. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Vlog ko with Caramel.